Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Cardio Forte for Life, where we uncover natural ways to strengthen your heart, improve circulation, and protect your arteries. Here's a shocking fact. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and one of its biggest culprits is something silent and sneaky: clogged arteries. Plaque buildup, made of fat, cholesterol, and calcium, slowly narrows your arteries. You might not notice it at first, but over time it leads to chest pain, high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. But here's the good news. Your diet can make a massive difference. Research shows that certain superfoods actually help clean your arteries naturally, reducing plaque, improving blood flow, and protecting you from cardiovascular disease. In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful superfoods that scrub your arteries clean from the inside out. Stick with us until the end, because I'll also share how combining these foods with Cardio Forte for Life, a doctor-formulated supplement with 5,000 millimers of L-arginine and antioxidants, can maximize circulation and keep your arteries youthful and flexible. 1. Avocados, the artery protector. Who doesn't love a creamy avocado toast? But beyond being delicious, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse for your arteries. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that clears them. Packed with potassium, they help regulate blood pressure, reducing stress on artery walls. Contain antioxidants like lutein and vitamin E, which prevent oxidative damage to blood vessels. Science Insight, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, found that eating 1 avocado per day improved cholesterol levels and reduced artery-clogging LDL particles. Daily use: add half an avocado to your breakfast, blend it into smoothies, or spread it on whole grain toast. Small daily changes add up to big heart protection. Imagine your arteries as pipes in your house. Avocados help keep those pipes clean and flowing. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3, powerhouses. When it comes to artery protection, omega-3 fatty acids are superheroes. And fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are the best sources. Reduce triglycerides, a major contributor to plaque buildup. Lower inflammation, keeping arteries flexible instead of stiff. Prevent clots, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Science Insight, the famous Mediterranean diet, rich in fatty fish, has been linked with significantly lower rates of heart disease. People who eat fish at least twice a week show improved arterial flexibility and reduced plaque formation. Daily use: aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Not a fish lover? Flaxseed or chia seeds provide plant-based omega-3s, though in smaller amounts. High-quality fish oil supplements are another option. Think of omega-3s as oil for your heart's engine. They keep things running smoothly. 3. Berries, antioxidant-rich cleaners. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are more than sweet treats. They're artery sweepers, rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessels. Improve endothelial function, the ability of arteries to relax and expand, essential for healthy blood flow. Daily berry consumption is linked to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Science Insight. A Harvard study followed women for 18 years and found that those who ate berries 3 times a week had a 34% lower risk of heart attack. Daily use: add a handful of berries to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh, making them an easy year-round option. Picture berries as little brushes that sweep away the grime inside your arteries. 4. Nuts and seeds, crunchy heart. Helpers, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to arterial health. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based omega-3s. Reduce LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. Rich in magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Science. Insight. The British Journal of Nutrition reports that eating nuts regularly reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 30%. Daily use. Snack on a small handful of raw nuts, or sprinkle chia and flax seeds over salads or yogurt. Walnuts are especially potent for artery protection. Think of nuts and seeds as armor for your arteries, keeping them strong and flexible. 5. Tomatoes. Lycopene for arteries. Tomatoes may seem simple, but they're loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Reduces LDL cholesterol and prevents plaque buildup. Provides potassium and vitamin C, both essential for healthy blood pressure. Cooked tomatoes, like in sauces, deliver even more lycopene than raw. Science insight. A study from Nutrition Journal found that people with higher lycopene levels had a 17% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Daily use. Incorporate tomato sauce, tomato paste, or roasted tomatoes into your meals at least 3 to 4 times per week. Think of lycopene as a protective coat inside your arteries, preventing rust and buildup. Why these superfoods work together alone. Each of these foods offers impressive benefits, but together they form a nutritional shield. Avocados balance cholesterol. Fatty fish fight inflammation. Berries sweep away oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds strengthen circulation. Tomatoes reduce plaque. This combination not only prevents clogged arteries, but also helps reverse early damage. Featuring Forte for life. Even with the best diet, sometimes your body needs an extra push. That's where Forte for life comes in. With 5,000 milligrams of L-arginine, it boosts nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Packed with antioxidants, it shields arteries from oxidative damage, supports cholesterol balance, blood pressure, energy, and mental clarity. Think of it as the perfect partner to these superfoods. Together, they keep your arteries clean, your blood flowing, and your heart strong. So enthusiast, which of these artery-cleaning superfoods will you start with? Avocados on your toast, salmon for dinner, or maybe a bowl of berries tomorrow morning? Drop your choice in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Forte for Life for more natural, science-backed heart health wisdom. And if you're ready to take your heart health to the next level, consider adding Forte for Life to your daily routine, because your heart deserves the best care naturally. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep your arteries clean with the power of nature.